Hi everyone. Welcome back to another Tech Tips channel. In today's video, we're excited to unveil the latest updates in TapTime version 3.0. Our powerful no-code attendance management app built on Google AppSheet. This version introduces 4 key features to enhance your attendance tracking experience. Here's what's new in version 3.0. Geo-fencing with global time zone support. Accurate attendance recording across multiple locations and time zones. Enhanced filtering and export options for attendance logs. Advanced filters and easy export for better admin control. Summary of attendance data for each staff. An intuitive dashboard for employees to monitor their attendance performance. Offline mode for tap in, tap out. Seamless attendance recording without internet connectivity. In this video, we'll provide an overview of each feature and guide you through the step-by-step configuration process to make the most of TapTime version 3.0. If you haven't watched previous video yet, be sure to check that out first. You'll find the link in the video description and in the card above. Alright, let's start with the geofencing with global time zone support. This feature ensures that attendance is recorded accurately based on the employee's location and standardizes time across different time zones. Tap in and tap out location will be checked to make sure they are within designated geo-fenced areas. And also, tap in and tap out UTC time is recorded automatically. With these settings, you ensure your team's attendance data is accurate and location verified, no matter where they are in the world. Let's check the setting. Set the column as shown. Alright, we have complete the setting for the geofencing features. Next, we have the enhanced filtering and export options for admins. This upgrade allows for more detailed filtering and easy export of attendance logs, making reporting a breeze. With this, admins can now easily filter logs by date, employee, or specific attendance criteria, and export the data as needed, providing greater flexibility and control. Let's check the setting. Set the column as shown. Next, create slices for filtered views. Set the slice as shown. Then enable the Export CSV. Set the action as shown. Alright, let's create the filter control list slice. Then set the filter action. Then proceed to set the filter control form. Set the form as shown. Alright, the filter feature is completed. Let's proceed to summary of attendance data for each staff. For employees, we've introduced a new summary dashboard that provides a clear view of their attendance performance over the last 30 days. Let's check the setting. Set the column as shown. Set the view as shown. Finally, let's talk about offline mode for tap in and tap out. With this new feature, employees can record their attendance even when they are offline. Set the offline mode as shown. This is particularly useful for teams working in remote locations or areas with unreliable internet access. With these new features in TapTime version 3.0, managing attendance has never been easier or more efficient. From geo-fencing to advanced filtering and offline capabilities, TapTime version 3.0 is designed to meet the needs of both employees and admins. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.